Hi bumblebees, I have another story to show you. This one is going to be kind of like we're going on a bear hunt, but it's about going on a nature hunt, which talks about all the things you might see outside on a walk during springtime like now. So maybe after the story you can look for some of these things around a walk in your neighborhood too. It's called We're Going on a Nature Hunt. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge. A narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Criss, cross, cross to the other side. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. Ooh, I see pretty yellow flowers. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. It is a slippery, sloppery frog. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. Boys and girls, you can tell mom or dad what a frog says. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, dig, dig down into the ground. It's a worm! Look at that wiggly, waggly worm, but don't hurt it. Worms love mud. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up to the crooked branch. It's a scritchy, scratchy nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest, but don't touch. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive. Let's go. Back down the tree. Back through the meadow. Back across the pond. Back over the bridge. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt and now we're home at last. The end. I hope you enjoyed that book and I hope you get to go outside and take a walk like me and my little boy Everett like to do on these nice sunny days. Hope to see you guys soon. Miss you.